What is an adequacy decision for international data transfers? Imagine sharing your personal information across borders without worrying about privacy risks. That's what an adequacy decision helps make possible. When companies transfer data from the European Union to other countries, they need to follow strict rules to protect that data. An adequacy decision is a formal ruling made by the European Commission that says a specific country or region offers enough protection for personal data. This decision is based on the idea of essential equivalence, meaning the data protection standards in that country are roughly the same as those in the European Union. It does not mean they are exactly the same, but that they achieve a similar level of privacy and security. Once a country receives an adequacy decision, data can flow freely from the European Union to that country without extra safeguards. This makes international trade and data sharing much easier, especially for companies working across borders. It also encourages countries to improve their data protection laws to gain access to the European Union market. The process to get an adequacy decision involves several steps. First, the European Commission proposes the decision. Then, the European Data Protection Board gives an opinion, and finally, EU representatives approve it. The decision looks at factors like the rule of law, human rights, existing laws, and whether the country has independent authorities to oversee data protection. In the world of artificial intelligence and technology law, adequacy decisions are especially important. They allow data to move smoothly across borders, which is vital for training AI systems. Large datasets are needed to develop and improve AI models, and international data transfers are part of that process. If a country has an adequacy decision, organizations can transfer data there without worrying about extra legal hurdles. This helps AI projects move faster and reduces compliance costs. However, organizations must ensure that any data they send to a third country complies with the framework set by the adequacy decision, such as the EU's Data Privacy Framework for transfers to the United States. Knowing about adequacy decisions helps organizations stay compliant while working globally. It simplifies the process of sharing data across borders, especially for innovative projects involving artificial intelligence. This way, companies can focus on creating new technologies without getting bogged down by legal barriers.